This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.
It's Parkus, a new and unique mechanical bicycle lift for parking bicycles in small spaces. You can use Parkus in your garage, on your balcony, in your office, or wherever you like. This vertical bicycle lift is simple, fun, and easy to use. It's cool when everything's in its place, right? Parkus is a perfect space-saving solution and a fun way to park your bicycle.
Mécanique, robuste, simple et bon marché. Nos produits doivent remplir toutes ces qualités. Sinon, ils ne sont pas dignes de la maison UMR en Haute-Autriche. Notre équipe jeune et dynamique produit et perfectionne en permanence des ramasseuses de fruits innovantes, de toute taille et pour toutes sortes de fruits. Car il est bien connu que la récolte manuelle de fruits est un travail long et épuisant. Les ramasseuses de fruits de UMR facilitent grandement ce travail. Suivant les exigences des clients, différents modèles ont été développés. Il est possible de récolter rapidement jusqu'à une hauteur d'herbe de 30 cm. Les débuleurs, aussi nommés hérissons à fruits, s'adaptent au terrain et peuvent récolter des fruits d'un diamètre de 3 à 15 cm. Les pentes et les terrains accidentés ne sont pas un problème pour les ramasseuses UMR. L'entreprise, située à Laakirchen, pense à tout lors de la récolte. C'est pourquoi le vibreur et la grille de triage ont également leur place dans notre gamme. UMR, des produits solides, simples et bon marché pour la récolte des fruits.
Glasses have always helped us master light. They bend it, focus it, shield us from it. But these are not your standard glasses. They have a light of their own. A light that connects you to the people you care about, gets you where you need to go, and helps you prioritize the things that matter. Technology that's there when you need it, gone when you don't, hidden by design. Introducing Focals by North, your smartest pair of glasses.